Hi. Here at FashionTutor, we provide training for the Fashion CAD system, Gerber AccuMark. We can supply training in whichever way suits your needs. Whether it's one-to-one remote sessions, one-to-one in-person, group sessions, or training video courses. We are a Gerber accredited CAD training company. Your expert trainer here is Ben Cooper, and we have another expert, Oliver Chiswell, who provides grading training too. These guys have a wealth of experience between them. Our track record on Trustpilot speaks for itself. We really care about moving you forward and upping your game. Our courses are designed for beginners, people who have not used Gerber AccuMark at all, existing users, and even advanced users who want to really make the very most of the system. I know just what you are thinking, and no, you don't need to own the software to come on one of the courses. We provide that too. We can even help out with proper practice time, if you don't already have the software. So whether you want Gerber AccuMark for Beginners Masterclass, grading training, a couple of hours top-up training in a particular area, or anything in between, we got you covered. Now, if you are ready, then let's do this. Check out fashiontutor.co.uk to choose your course and become a pro.